Okay, with the 2017 kx250f, you know, the problem with his bike is his motor lock. So we're gonna run through everything and see what the problem going on in his bike. Seeing why his motor lock. I got the plastics off. I got the header off. Got the gas tank loose. So next thing I'm gonna do is take that gas tank off, take the subframe off, disable the mounts, and we're gonna go ahead and pull the engine out. Alright, with the 2017 kx250f, you know, dude motor was locked up, so we went ahead, took the motor out. There go the motor right there.